My experience with Supple Strength and working with Coach Pat has been amazing. I started working out with the Supple Strength crew in October of last year, and I absolutely love the program. It has so much diversity and variety. I had a slight injury when I was running. I was working on increasing my running, and that's when I decided to do the personal training aspect with Coach Pat Bell. He's been really phenomenal in getting me back to where I want to be with running, as well as prepping for my first powerlifting competition. Before I started working with Move Your Bones, especially for my ankle injury that I sustained while trail running, I tried going to physical therapists, multiple different physical therapists, massage therapy, chiropractor. None of it really worked. I felt like especially the physical therapy was just kind of generic. It wasn't tailored to what I was looking for. It didn't really take into account my goals that I wanted to have. And so I found the Move Your Bones approach much more conducive to what I wanted to do. In terms of what I have been able to accomplish, like I mentioned, I am currently prepping for my first powerlifting competition, which I'm really excited about. I recently hit my 1 rep max in deadlift, being able to deadlift 244 pounds, which is amazing. I'm working on my squat depth for form, as well as chest press form. Overall, it's all been really, really impactful and very positive in terms of the training that I've been able to have. Running wise, I'm still slowly getting back into it. I definitely see a path to where I can run much further than I had before, as well as my mobility overall has increased dramatically, especially with a lot of the exercises that I was given as part of this program. So overall, it's been an amazing, amazing success. So highly recommend this to anyone who is on the fence. I was on the fence a little bit about virtual physical therapy, but there's so much care that is given in the way that they assess. I don't feel like I'm really missing out. It's much more convenient than meeting a trainer at the gym, and I send in form videos all the time, so I'm really getting probably even more advice and knowledge and feedback than I would with a regular personal trainer that you only see once a week with only a certain set of exercises. So if anyone is on the fence, I highly, highly recommend the Move Your Bones approach. All of my issues about the virtual aspect of personal training and physical therapy have been completely alleviated. It's a really fantastic program that I can't recommend enough. If you want to get stronger, if you want to work on your mobility, maybe work on some challenges that you might face in your daily life, whether it's pain or flexibility issues, these guys will fix you.